What's up and everybody, it's another good evening or should I say a good night. Na niko hapa na the Simba Nyaka Duong hit maker. Habari?
Salama.
Hey, you look very humble.
Thank you.
How's the journey been? By the way, pale Simba Nyaka Duong was a nice song. Journey imekuaje? Most of that you're singing gospel.
Si rahisi vile lakini grace inatupeleka. Yeah, we just pray and then una dedicate tu vitu kwa Mungu.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then you must have passion for what you're doing.
Of course, tuko hapa kwa the second edition of MARWA.MUSIC Awards. Maybe have you bagged something on Mama next time?
Next time. Next time. I didn't put a lot of energy in this because of my own reasons. So I know next time I will get something.
Of course, your song Simba Nyaka Duong has been able to bless a lot of souls out there. Kwanza I remember my mom amekatwa hapo na nasikia Simba Nyaka Duong. How do you feel as a person?
I'm feeling blessed, and all glory just belongs to God. I don't take any glory for that song. But enyewe when nikisikia watu inaibariki watu wanaicheza, I also feel blessed and I'm happy because the Lord has used me to reach people and impact their lives. Amen.
Maybe apart from Simba Nyaka Duong, when again are you planning to remove song ingine tena kubwa, and what are your plans in the gospel music industry?
I'm planning to release a song next month. The audio is out, so we are working on the video.
Oh yeah, that's
yes. Nice. It's a Luo praise song. That is I tried to do it Ohangla way. Yeah, gospel or Angla music, so it's a praise song that is going to come early next month.
Okay,
yes.
That's very nice. And maybe what are your plans? Maybe una plan pale kutupea album, or you still releasing the singles? The singles.
Actually, I wanted to launch this album of Simba Nyaka Duong first. It's when I release another album. But again, the first song that I'm going to release that the first week of next month is of another album. Yes, so I'm launching Simba Nyaka Duong mid next month, but of course I'm releasing a song of the next album early next month. Yes.
Congratulations sana for your work out there. As sisi kama mafans, we're seeing you're doing a very good job. Continue inspiring souls. Maybe talking with the Giants from the Lake, that's MARWA.MUSIC Awards organizers. What can you tell them?
I have to tell them that they have to be, if you're a musician or you are a supporter of music, know what you like most or what comes out for you best, and then you give it your strength. That is for the lovers of music and artists, my fellow artists who are outside there, who are also upcoming. Know best what you can do best and give it your strength.
Oh, yeah.
And then itakuwa ni ya baraka sana.
Amen.
Amen.
Hatuwezi kukuacha before tuimbie Simba Nyaka Duong.
Of course, the weekend was so busy and my voice
I know
went, but I will try.
Yeah, just try.
Simba Nyaka Duong, Simba Nyaka Duong. If you can help me back up. Simba Nyaka Duong, Simba Nyaka Duong, Koila ae Simba Nyaka Duong, Okonya Simba Nyaka Duong. So that is the song. I believe you are blessed.
Yeah.
A bit imeenda lakini tunajaribu.
That's so nice. I continue doing the good work. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for your time. Guys, as you know, that's the Simba Nyaka Duong hitmaker. Till next time. Bye bye.